Okay, so if a man is consuming alcohol, he is damaging his liver. But if a woman is consuming alcohol, she is damaging her career, her reputation, her image. I didn't knew that women don't have liver or men don't have reputation or image. I wasn't aware about this fact. So hey guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a part 2 of being a woman is not an easy job. So let's get into the video. Okay. Firstly, there is no man, there is no women. Humans, we are humans. Humans. And same species. Then why we are treating both of them differently? Why no one is telling a man or a boy that he should be at home at 7 p.m.? Why? Why all of these rules apply to women and girls? Why nobody telling a man that you should behave in a certain way? You should respect women. Not just women, you should respect human. You know, you should respect, you should be respectful towards other people. You should behave in a certain way, you should wear clothes in a certain way. Your behavior should be appropriate so no one will get uncomfortable, surround you, around you. Why all of these rules apply on a woman, that you should be home at 7 p.m, you should behave in a certain way, you should wear clothes in a certain way so no one else around you get offended? This is my body, not anyone's business. I can do whatever I want to do with my body. If I want to wear a jeans top, I will wear a jeans top. If I want to wear suit salwar, I will wear suit salwar. If I want to wear a short dress, I will wear a short dress. If someone is looking at me with bad thoughts, this is not about my body, it is about the other person's mindset. We all know no woman is safe out there, we know. But why? Why the family is telling a woman only that you shouldn't go out, it is not safe for you out there? Because of who? Because of who women are not safe out there? Because of who? Men. Why nobody is telling a man that do not do this, the other gender is not feeling safe because of you? Why nobody giving them lesson? Why nobody is teaching them lesson that do not do this, this is not appropriate what you doing, and the other gender is feeling unsafe because of you? Why nobody is telling them? A woman is going to college, a girl is going to college, and a boy is going to college. A boy is wearing whatever he wants to wear, a girl is wearing whatever she wants to wear. Why the only man is looking with appropriate eyes? Why? Girl also can do that. Girls also can do that. But why they are not doing this? Because they know this is not appropriate. We shouldn't do that. We should never cross our limit. We should never make feel someone else uncomfortable. This is how our family, our mother, our father, we grew up with all these principles. Then why the hell they are not teaching all of these things to a man also, to a boy also, that he never ever misbehave with a woman or a girl, like never look to a woman with lust in your eyes? Why nobody telling a man how to be a man? Why there is always a woman who needs to learn a lesson? When a woman go out there for her work and she gets late sometimes, no one will say that she is a very hardworking woman. No one says that she is very ambitious. No one says that she is very passionate about what she is doing. No. Everyone will be like, she is characterless. She came home late. She doesn't stay at her home. She don't work for her husband. She do not take care of her kids. She is having affairs out there. This is why she come home late. This is how you describe a woman, a hardworking woman. And when a man comes late at home, everyone will like, oh my god, such a hardworking man. He always stay out. What a hardworking man is he. If a man is staying out, he is hardworking, and if a woman is staying out, she is characterless. This is how we see women and men. Why there is so much difference in our mentality for men and women? A man can have hundreds of affairs and still people be like, he is just a man, he can do that. It's not a big deal. A man can slap, a man can be violent, a man can have affairs, man can do anything. But you, my dear, no, no, you will be characterless. You will destroy your image. No one will, marry you. You will damage yourself in the eyes of society. Why the things that make a man according to the society, all of these things makes a woman a characterless woman. If a man can go out there and work hard, so as a woman can also go out and work so hard. Do not be afraid of a woman. Have some self-respect, have some confidence inside you that if a woman is standing right next to me, she must be a hardworking woman. Do not be afraid of her hard work. Appreciate her because she deserves that. Do not try to put her down by saying things bad about her. She is a hardworking woman and she worked really hard for where she is right now in her life, and she can do anything that she wants to. If you think that women's going out there after 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. and anything bad can happen to them, stop the people who are doing bad to them, not the person who is victim here. People brainwash women. They'll be like, do not go out there, it is not safe for you. And we'll be like, yeah, they must be right, it is not safe for and it is obvious thing. The world is not a safe place for women. Women are very unsafe on this earth. Anything can happen to any women, any child girl on this earth. Anything can happen to them. So they'll be like, yeah, they must be right, anything can happen to us and we shouldn't go. And this is how we suppress our emotions, this is how we suppress our dreams, this is how we suppress ourselves. But why no one is working on the person who is doing all of these things? Why no one is working on a person who is making women feel unsafe about themselves? If you want to judge someone, judge the person who is doing bad, not the person who is victim here. It's not victim's fault. It's not her fault if someone is looking at her with lust in their eyes. It's not her fault. Call out the person who is doing all of these. Tell your boys, teach your son, teach your brother, teach your husband, teach your father that do not feel women unsafe around you. Do not do that. Because they are also a human being. Treat them like a human being. Do not make unsafe a women around you. Let them do whatever they want to do. They are here to live their life. They are here to achieve their dreams. They are not doing anything bad to this earth, to the people, to the communities. They are doing nothing bad. They are just trying to fulfill their dreams. So let them. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you. Bye. Bye.